everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hello, my crafty creators. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So I am just working on Father's Day, y'all. I've done got the grind going and at least turned up a little bit since I was off today. I did do a couple of pit stops, as we say, today at, let's see, where did I go? I went to the Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, and Walgreens in another city. Walgreens, I found a couple of things on clearance, but nothing major. And I didn't find anything at all three of these, okay? I saw a... they didn't have any bath sets at all at this. This was a Family Dollar, Dollar Tree combo store, and all of the bath products were Family Dollar. And nothing major that I saw on sale. I did see a Dove sign that was on the tag where the big Dove body washes were, and it said that the Dove body wash had a $5 digital coupon attached to it, and then next to it, under the price underneath this Dove was $5.35. So I didn't test it out because we were on our way out the door, so I didn't have time for that because we were headed somewhere else at that time. But and I have so much Dove, I just didn't even bother to check it out. But if you get to check that out, please let me know if the digital coupon is still valid, or if that Family Dollar just has signs up that they just haven't removed yet, because they were stocking when I went in there. They were stocking Dollar Tree items as well. And like I said, this was a Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store. It's a combo store, y'all. Anyway, I am working on Father's Day, y'all. And I'm just going to show you what my little system is with making my baskets. And then I'm going to share a little bit of a haul with you. I did get some Temu items in today that I was super excited about. But anyway, for Father's Day, this is one of the mug sets that I just did. This is a Tag Dove set, and that's all it is, y'all. It's nothing major. All right. So what I do is, when I come up with the concept, and I'll make maybe 4 of these, I will put it together, bow it, all right, and then I make sure that my business tag with my phone number and my business information is on the actual product, all right, and then I put the price on the plastic part, so that when they take the plastic off, they can throw the price tag away. They don't have to keep that. But I put the price on there. All right, and you'll notice I put a number in that box right there that says number 3. All right, so this says number 3 on it. Once I finish that concept, I write it in my book along with how much it's selling for. All right, so that Tag Dove mug is going to be $20. That's what I will sell this mug set for. Alright. Number 2 you saw in my live, which was the men's basket here. Alright. This is the one with the large pajamas in it, the hemp lotion, diabetic socks. We have a loofah, and then we have the large pajama set and towel. I'm sorry, blanket. Alright, and then same thing, I put the price on the plastic here, and it says number 2. Alright, and in my book, it is number 2. Alright, and it is a $50 gift. Alright, I'm trying to keep my gifts 50 and below for Father's Day, because people ain't hitting Father's Day like that, y'all. Not like that. They ain't doing it. Alright, then we have this one that I made today. Alright, and this is a Jack Link's basket in the trophy. Alright, and that is the back of it. The front of it looks like so. Alright, and so in the front of this, we have the men's bath soap. We have one of the loofahs. We have the hair trimmer for the nose. Alright, and then I have the beard cream. Alright, for the beards. Alright, on the back side, we have the I have the gift box turned facing out, facing the back. But I have a razor and the shaving cream here in the back as well. All right, and inside this little gift set, there is a flask, a shot glass, and beef jerky. These were one of the sets that I got when they went 90% off at Walmart. So I've had this for a little while. I checked the expiration date, and this is going to be fine. All right. And this is number 1 on my list there. Now, I have priced that out at $45, but I'm thinking about changing that to $50 because to me it looks like a $50 gift. I'll show it to you again, but it looks like $50 would be fair for this because of the gift set that's in it. So you tell me what you think down in the comments. I have it at $45 right now, and I will look at your comments and you'll share with me what you think. Should I go up to $50 on that gift? And it's just a matter of printing a new tag, y'all. Taking the old tag off. And we can do that now. Excuse me, y'all. It's hot here in the crafty corner, y'all. And even though I got the fan going, it's still hot down here. Alright, so I did get a little bit of a haul in from Temu. Now, I knew I had ordered some t-shirts. And Miss Vanita was talking about the Juneteenth t-shirts the other night. And I had seen them on Temu. But girl, I had ordered some too. I didn't even know I had ordered them. I mean, I guess I knew. I don't know if I knew or not, y'all. Anyway, I ended up with some Juneteenth shirts, which I'll show you in just a minute. Alright, so for some of my dad's baskets, I ordered the Racing Speedway shirts. So I have 2 of these that I will put into some Father's Day concepts in the next few days or so as we get further into Father's Day. Alright, and this is the second one. Let me just fold it up. And these are just, I thought they were really nice t-shirts. Alright, I got the, what size is this? Extra large. So it is a good size for a man, y'all. And I think that they make these t-shirts a little extra big. And I say that because this is a big t-shirt and it's just an extra large. Alright, so the other shirts that I snagged were the Juneteenth t-shirts. And I have 3 of these. And these are very nice. Like I said, I had totally forgot that I ordered these. They came in today. Alright. So this is the Juneteenth Black King Nutrition Facts. Alright, and it says melanin 100%, foolishness 0%, consciousness 100%, intelligence 100%, and leadership 100%. Alright, Juneteenth Black King. So I will be incorporating Juneteenth into some Father's Day sales, y'all. Like I said, I didn't even realize I had ordered these shirts. I thought about, when we were talking about it the other night, I thought about, okay, maybe I'll go back and order some. No need, I already did. And like I said, I'm not making a whole lot, so I'm going to do those 5 t-shirts. I also have the men's short sets coming. Those have not arrived yet. I also got some new shelving today that I have not put together yet, but I will. Alright, and then I got me a portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. Alright, so that I can juice. And this is because the one, if you remember, I had a pink one. And this part broke. I don't know how what happened there, but it's like the entire inside of that was just flopping around. So it wasn't connecting to anything, wasn't charging, wasn't doing anything. So I bought a new one, and we'll get back on my juicing real soon. But just let me know what you think about the Jack Link's basket. I do have it priced at $45. However, I am thinking I should go up to $50. You all tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Push us up to 1,500, y'all. Push this channel out there, and we will be having another giveaway then. Make sure you sign up for the birthday club and put your April birthday in the post, in the community post. And if you have not joined any memberships on my channel, please consider doing that. I will be having some DIYs coming up, and that will be my summer focus, is some DIYs, as well as pushing out some craft products that I make that are awesome, y'all. So one of the DIYs that will be coming up will be the chipboard photo albums that I will be making, that we will be adding to our baby line. So our babies and bows, Chandra's baby clothes and things for the babies. We are going to add baby boy and baby girl newborn picture albums to those. So I will be making those and putting those in some DIYs for you, with all the measurements and everything you will need. Okay, we will definitely put you together a excellent DIY. Those will be in my memberships, and I will also be making other items. I will plan to do some furniture this summer as well, and get those out for you. We will do those in resin. All right, so that'll be fun, y'all. We step right on outside and do that with no problem. So you all stay tuned, because we got some neat and fantastical things coming up here in the Crafty Corner. I will continue to make baskets and share those with you as well, so that we can get our sales going, and my custom orders, I will be getting those ready to get up out of here. This is one of the canvases for the one of the custom orders. They wanted fruit, so we have our strawberries here. All right, and the rest of the haul for that, let me see if I can just read that and show y'all what that is. Hang on one second, y'all. Okay, I don't have those. Those are in my Walgreens bags, which are in the car. So I will do a separate video on those, and show you the items that I found to go with these canvases that are just awesome. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So that is how I do my gifts right now, so that I can keep track of them. I also put in here what it cost me to make that particular mug, basket, or whatever it is, so I can keep track of my cost and my profit, and if there's any wiggle room, I may wiggle a little bit, but I try not to. Try to stay with my price is my price. That's what it is. But tell me what you think in the comments, y'all. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all your sharing, your knowledge, your blessings. It is very much appreciated. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.